started still. Recording is started on your screen.
Yes, 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 yes. I
Yeah.
said, please introduce yourself.
Yes. I am introducing myself right now.
Yes,
So my name is Arun Kumar. Basically, I am from UP, district Bagpat from India. And
yes.
by profession, I'm an English teacher. I teach English in private school. I am running I am running a YouTube channel too, named called Learning English with AK. There I upload videos, and I have so many hobbies like playing guitar, singing, listening music, traveling. Thank you so much. This is a little bit about me.
Okay, that's great. Take my introduce myself. I'm from Pakistan. Currently, I'm from Pakistan province, Balochistan district, Nasirabad. I am a student. I do work at shop. My education is metric class, 10th class. I passed. Currently, my study is going on, and I am learning English from YouTube channels. I didn't join any academy to learn English. I am only learning from YouTube channels. Your Indian people speak, and some people teachers teach. Your Indian teachers, famous English with Chandan. Teacher named English with Chandan. I am learning that channel.
Okay.
That is my introduction.
Wow, that's very nice to know about you that you are from Pakistan and you didn't join any coaching center for learning this language by the YouTube, by the help of YouTube you are learning. It is commendable. Wow.
Yes, that's clear. So I watch lots of Indian movies. Many Indian people like this video recording video upload on your channels. And I watch that movies, motivational movies, other movies. But number of Indian people upload like these movies. I many watch movies. Some people, some ladies teachers, some men teachers. I am learning from YouTube channels. I like many Indian people. Indian people, the English is very easy, and that pronunciation is clear. I don't know US people and British people. British people is pronunciation is difficult, and short form use word US and Indian people.
Yes, of course. Because means the people are very advanced and they just speak very fluent English and very short form also. Whatever you said, like they just speak short forms. So that's why it is little bit difficult to understand. But it's, the person who is doing hard work, who is putting a lot of efforts to understand and speak, he or she can easily understand that.
I want to ask you some questions,
Okay.
right? Okay. So I can understand listening, but I can't speak. Many people do question with me, but I don't define that questions. I understand, and everything I understand. People speak motivational other movies. I understand, but I didn't reply. I don't reply that person question. How can I reply that person question?
Okay. So it means you can understand English, but you
Yes,
cannot speak, right?
yes, yes,
Okay. So the answer of this question is C. Means listening practice you have done. You
yes,
listen
yes,
more and more English content. That's why
yes,
you
yes,
can understand. But your speaking practice is not going on. It means
yes,
you yes, on your speaking as well. While
Yes.
listening also, you can just speak, try to speak more and more English from your mouth. Then only it will be possible in your future that you can just speak English fluently. It means we can understand, means we are practicing our listening, means listening only.
Yes. Yes.
But if we will not speak, we will not practice to speak English, we cannot learn. It means we have to speak at any cost, whether you are speaking simple sentences. So do not fear, right? Do not fear and do not hesitate at that time when you are speaking with someone. Just focus on your practice and just speak with a smiley face and focus on your
Yes.
learning, right?
Yes.
This
Right.
is
Right. Right. So I have need to practice speaking English. Right.
yeah, more and more you just speak. People
Yes.
will
Yes.
tell you that where you have done mistakes or not. People will correct you, but you need to focus on your speaking. That yes, I have to speak at anywhere, means everywhere where I'm going, I have the chance to speak English here. So just start speaking, right?
Right. Right. So how can learn people's online teachings and from YouTube's other users that person they have not opportunity to join academy, have not afford that people's how can we teach learn English speaking and learn reading?
Okay. So, the solution of this question is there are so many applications, free
Yes,
applications available on the social media, and you can just download them, and they they give you 15 minutes free session, means 15 minutes you can just speak. So it means, suppose you have downloaded 5 sessions, so every day you can just speak 25 minutes, not 25, uh, 45 minutes. So
yes,
45 minutes you can speak free of cost, right?
yes, yes.
So online
So
also, yeah, yeah,
So
please.
I have installed many applications, but English trainer and speaker English, many speaker English from beginner speaking run away. That person like me, I can't speak English. I didn't. I don't speak currently, and my English is weak. Some I make mistake. These reasons that person don't like beginners. How can how can that person like me beginners people's? I speak English, but my English is weak. Other people's English is my English. There's reasons I tried. I have one application, Hello Talk. Hello Talk applications. All world's people come that applications to practice speaking English and other matters talk conversation. But many people I joined that class. But my English weak due to weak my English. This reasons call is closed.
Oh, so sometime it happens, the people that it depends the person to person, right? All fingers are not same,
Yes,
right? So if they don't want, let them go. The person. So suppose you have tried five persons. So among
yes, yes,
five, one will tell you, it's, it's on the positive, right? On the
right.
positive mindset you have, just focus on your practice, and among five, one will be talking with you. Don't worry.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it's time to end the session, I think, because it was a lovely time with you.
Okay, okay.
And thank you so much for having this session. Have a
Yes,
great
yes.
day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.